What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Alright guys, so today we at home, gym is closed, it's raining, it's 6 in the morning. Giving y'all a little update. I just did 30 minutes of fasted cardio. I just walked on the treadmill on the incline. Yeah, just chilled on there, watched a little SpongeBob. But no, yeah, today I'm trying to do like a little home workout. I got a barbell and some free weights. Probably not gonna use any dumbbells, but like I said, it's probably just gonna be a barbell workout. So yeah, I'll take y'all through that. It'd be a chest and shoulder one. I'll let y'all know the sets and reps, stuff like that. I got y'all. But besides that, I gotta walk all the way back to the end of my apartment while it's raining. So all right, so the rain calmed down a little bit, so that's not bad. But it's like 40 degrees outside. I don't know. Everybody around here, I'm from Texas. Everybody hates this weather. Absolutely, I love this stuff like so much. It's never like this, you know what I mean? To me, it's so pretty. so as you saw in the workout, I'm at work, sorry. Yeah, it's raining, so I'm gonna be doing absolutely nothing the entire day. But no, you saw it in the workout. I don't know if I explained it. I did a little warm-up set for each one, but it's not my off day, but it's my day where I work on my weaknesses, which I feel like I really want to bring on my chest and my shoulders. So I just did 3 sets for each exercise and kept it between 8 to 12 reps. Especially on the bench press, I only got like 5 or 6 on the last set, I think. But yeah, they'll get the principle. And tonight I'm gonna do. I didn't have time to hit abs. I was a little rushed. I had to work to do nothing. But no, tonight I'll probably take y'all through my current ab routine. Just something like real quick and short that I do every single day. So all right, guys, so the ab routine is pretty simple. I'm doing it daily. Literally just do 3 sets, do around 8 to 10 reps, maybe 12 on the crunches. You know what I mean? Crunches is really trying to get good mind muscle connection and squeeze. And then leg raises, they do it on their own. But yeah, like I said, I only do it for 3 sets. I kind of superset them, like a circuit. Yeah, the cat helped. Not really, but all right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the end of the video. I appreciate you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you took anything from it. Leave a comment down in the description below. Yeah, it's 6 in the morning. We're back doing cardio like I started the video. Today's the next day. But yeah, if you took anything from the workout, like I said, let me know in the comment section below. Hit up my Instagram and TikTok. But besides that, appreciate y'all.